Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete an account in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to delete your Notion account. First things first, launch Notion in your browser and sign in if necessary. In the left-hand sidebar, click on your profile picture or name located in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, you're going to see Settings and Invite Members. Go ahead and click on Settings. In the Settings window, you're going to see a couple of options which include My Account, My Settings, My Notifications, My Connections, Language and Region, and then over to Workspace you have Upgrade Plan, Settings, Team Spaces, People, Sites, Security and Data, Identity and Provisioning, Connections, and Import. Go ahead and click on My Account. In the My Accounts page, scroll down to the bottom of the page. So here you have email, password, two-step verification, support, and you have support access, and of course you have delete my account, and you have logout of all devices. Go ahead and click on delete my account. And then a confirmation prompt will open, which is here. All you need to do is to follow the instructions in the confirmation prompt. You will be asked to re-enter your password to confirm the deletion that you may be. But one of the steps that you have to take is to type in your email to confirm. So once you type in your email to confirm, go ahead and click on permanently delete account in one workspace. That's pretty much it. I'd like you to note that deleting your account is irreversible. All your data, including workspaces, pages, and content, will be permanently lost. So ensure you have backed up any important information before proceeding with the deletion. So now, once you're done and your mind is made up, you can go by the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.